Okay, so I'm going to look at some problems from clip number 407. And clip 407 is all about problem solving with the mean. So before doing 407, you should have had a look at the two clips before it. These questions, instead of finding the mean, you're normally asked to find an individual value or do a little bit of problem solving using the mean. So let's look at this first question. It says 5 people have the following ages. Okay, so the following ages are 23, 19, 12, 21 and 13. A person enters the room and the mean age of the 6 people is 19. What is the age of the 6th person? Okay, so if we know that the mean age of all 6 people is 19, we can work out what the total age of those people is, okay? Because we know that the mean is the total divided by the number of people, okay? So it's the total divided by the number of people. Okay, so if I know that the mean is 19 and the number of people I've got is 6, so the mean is 19 and the number of people I have is 6, so it'd be divided by 6. The total of all of those 6 people's ages is going to be 19 times by 6, which is 19 times 6 is 114. So the total for all of those 6 people is 114. Now, I already know the ages of the other 5. So the ages of the other 5 added together is going to be 23 plus 19 plus 12 plus 21 plus 13. Okay, which is 88. So the total of the ages before the 6th person joined was 88. So that means the 6th person must be 114 take away 88, which is 114 take away 88, 26. So the 6th person is 26. Okay, so let's look at another type of question now. Okay, so this is like the last questions on this sheet, on this particular clip. Okay, on this type of question, it tells me that the mean temperature for 7 days was 8 degrees C. The temperature on the 8th day was 6 degrees C. What is the mean temperature for all of the 8 days? Okay, to work out the mean, okay, what I need to do is again to work out totals. So if I know the mean temperature for the first 7 days was 8 degrees C, right, the total of the temperatures is going to be equal to 7 times by 8, just like we did in the first question. Okay, so the total is going to be 7 times by 8. All right, so 7 times 8 is 56. Okay, if the temperature on the 8th day was 6 degrees C, right, my total now, the total for 8 days, is 56 plus 6, which gives me a temperature of total of 62 for all 8 days. Okay, so if I want the mean for those 8 days, now I know what the total is. The mean is going to be 62, because that's the total, divided by 8. So 62 divided by 8 is 7.75.